You guys are seeing in real time how much better our stuff is.
Blew my mind. See these water spots? I've used multiple different products, it will not come off. This stuff right here is a game changer. Like, you put a little bit on your finger, see the water spots, rub it in. Whole bunch of different products. Nothing works like this right here. Just wipe it in, wipe it off. And look at that, man. Just
this is actually stuck. When it dries up, okay, so here we got Spotless, a really famous water spot remover for your glass. At least use gloves. Okay, so now it's actually already gone. Look at that. I haven't tried it yet, but I've seen a lot of videos from this one in particular. See if it clears it up. Oh, wow, that's amazing.
This stuff is the real deal. These spots are on there. They're not coming off. Little dab of Sud Factory. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Look at that. This is absolutely terrible. This is just water spots, water spots, and water spots. I also polished this window. I scrubbed it. It's not even off. So, you be the judge, folks.
Did or didn't. They told me they'd buy it back if it didn't work. So here we go. I'll put a little bit on my finger. It's gonna do exactly what they showed on the video. Wipe her down and see what we got. Well, there you go. I'm definitely a believer.
Product from Sud Factory Spot Remover, water spot remover for your glass. This is what I started off with. 7 years of build up. Yeah, within 5 minutes. And look at this difference. From this